Power of e-communication. The power of e-healthy communication. In e-healthy communication, what are we actually talking about? Mama speaking about e-communication healthy. Number one, lena e-communication healthy isho ukuthi la kunina as a family noma as a couple kuna lento ebizwa ngokuthi ukulalelana. So niyalalelana ezingxoxweni soke nizikhuluma. So ani interruptani uma ngabe nixoxa noma kukhona into efuna ukuyikhuluma niphazamisani, but kuba khona ukulalelana. Ngamanye amazwi omunye ufuna akhulume then omunye abese yalalela. So leyo iveza ukubaleka kokulalela. And okwesibili iphinde futhi iveza ukuthi uma ngabe ukhuluma with your partner, ukhuluma with your spouse, kumele wenze sure ukuthi ukhuluma with kindness. Ukhuluma with kindness. And uma be ukhuluma with your partner, ukhuluma with your clarity, with clarity. So kubaleka ukuthi uma ukhuluma nopartner wakho ukhuluma like with your kindness, with kindness. And leyo yenza ukuthi uma ukhuluma nopartner wakho checka itone yakho ngesikhathi ukhuluma, ukuthi itone yakho ngesikhathi ukhuluma nopartner wakho isuke ikanjani itone yakho. Ungakhuluma ngokuba rude. Ungakhuluma ngokuba rude uma ukhuluma with your partner, and you need to check your tone. I know ukuthi ma couples amaningi le tone iyayibe into ethanda ba serious kakhulu. Omunye uthuka sekuthetha athi hayi vele awona sekuthetha kanje angana ngithethe kanjani. But you need to check your tone mama khuluma no partner wakho. And secondly check your facial expression. Ungadlala unyukubele mama ukhuluma no partner wakho kumuntu eserious olihlezi unyukubele. You need to be very careful of that. Ukuthi unganyukubali kakhulu mama ukhuluma with your partner. Number 3, body language. Awena nto ukhuluma no partner wakho uzumkhombe nje umkhombe. Kunabantu abangakuthanda ukukhonjwa ngomono noma ngesandla or whatever. So kuhle ukuthi mabe ukhuluma no partner wakho ungayisebenzisa body language owazi ukuthi mabe ukhuluma naye leyo iyam offender somehow. So you need to be very careful of that. Okay. So uma ngabe ukhuluma with your partner, uma ngabe kunento ofuna ukuyiraise ebaleka kakhulu, ungajwayela ukuthi mabe ukhuluma naye umblame. So ungayisebenzisi lento yokublame. No, we're no wrong honey, baby, we're no wrong. No, awuyisebenzisi lefana naleyo. Angimanje sakhe family la sifuna ne family strong. So awuyisebenzisi lefana ukuthi hayi baby wena bokade u wrong. No, ngithi wena u wrong, yabo. But uma ukhuluma naye usebenzisa amagama soft nje ukuthi nje I feel like kuye kwaba khona mhlambe misunderstanding somewhere. I feel like yabo you need to be very like polite makhuluma with your partner. And musa ukuhlala njalo wena umuntu right and partner wakho wrong. And indlela ebalula kakhulu yokukhuza your partner ile yokuthi uma ngabe raise the concern, raise engazathi udinga advice wena. Angazi noma uyayizwa ndona. Raise engazathi wena udinga advice. So ngamanye amazwi kube ngazathi wena o wrong kanti uyena o wrong, umenza ukuthi akazibona ukuthi u wrong kodwa ngesystem. Leyo nto izoveza ukuthi ukwazi ukumuza ukuthi why enza lento lecabanga ukuthi wrong. And then bese end up senikwi same page ngale nto bocabanga ukuthi i wrong, ni end up senibona ukuthi right or rather mhlambe yena bese ayibona ukuthi wrong. You understand? So kuhle uma ukhuluma nopartner wakho ungamqondi nje straight uthi wena be wrong baby, no. But akube ngazathi ucela advice kuyena ngaleyo nto leyo, futhi ungayimisi ngehloko ukuthi iyona exactly lento ufuna kulungise yona. Kube ngazathi ucela advice kuyena. Yabo. uma uyambona ukuthi no unelokhuzana esisheshayo unesandla esisheshayo la ekhaya akakwazi ukusave umuntu oyiwaster umuntu oyispender angisebenzise lo gama oyispender so akube khona indlela ethile manje hani ngibona ngathi imali yandiza ngempela la ekhaya iyabaleka mawucabanga ukuthi singenza kanjani ukuze sibe nokusave imali sisave imali unosisebenzise ngokukhulu kusheshwa kungaka uzomuza no yazi ukuthini kona nami ngiyayibona ukuthi iyagijima imali nganje masovula into efana ne stop order bese siyayigcina lapho mhlambe i-30 days notice angimanje wabona uyilungisile le yonke ngokuthi manje kona baby uyamosha lana no please calm down yonke into la ku relationship yonke into la emshadweni idinga ukuthi iba polite bekubi phasi ubi phansi urelax anginondo yesibahambe umqabangela engazathi ucela advice in fact ulungisa yena kuzoba lona noma next time abe esebona ukuthi imali uyayilokhoza ukugijimisa ngamawala and then bese kubo wena osho ukuthi no yazi ngazathi imali ngigijimisa amawala kuloko I suggest kule nyanga hani asike sithi ukusave more uyena uzibona ukuthi ufuna ukusave more then bese uyamsiza no 7 baby asenze kanje u1 no 2 no 3 uzobona sekuyahlangana ezinye into zidinga ulaka zidinga ukuthi just be polite and then your relationship is over strong but kulungile besikhuluma